Time to make some eggs. First off, use some olive oil spray. I like that way better than using oil. Measure out some egg whites. There is a cup of egg whites right there. I usually get those egg whites from Costco. Here I'm putting in 2 eggs, but you can use 1 or none or more. I like for my carb sources using either some type of bagel or I like gluten-free bread. Here I'm slicing a bagel. I like to toast it. Add some seasoning like salt, 21 Seasoned Salute, everything but the bagel, all big favorites of mine from Trader Joe's. Dice up some Roma tomato, onion, whatever. You can add it in there or just make kind of an omelet. I like to make mine over easy, so I have like a runny yolk. I just like the way it kind of like drips into the bread or the starch that I have. Here I'm putting on some of that salsa. Measure that out, just a little tablespoon. I find that this really adds a lot of flavor to my egg meal. I usually add 2 different sauces, like a green and a red. Sometimes I add some hot sauce as well to this. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to egg flipping, especially when there's a lot of egg whites in there. It tends to like not come out beautiful, but you can make it like a scramble if you like as well. There, just throw it right on top, almost like an open face sandwich. And then the big key is I try to clean everything right as I'm cooking. So this time lapse is about 10 minutes long in total from start to finish. All the pans are cleaned and everything's easy.